Rahul, your namesake from many a blockbuster film, Shah Rukh Khan, the Badshah of Bollywood, the Badshah of the Kolkata Knight Riders. Welcome.
Hi, Sanjana. Hi, everybody. I'm sorry, I can't see everyone, but I guess when you speak, then I can see you. Really wonderful to be here, and I hope you guys are feeling well. Sorry, Owen, I've kept you late. I know you have another meeting. So whenever you wish to leave in the middle, just raise your hand. But I need to tell you a little story, Owen. You know, when years ago, you were part of KKR, many, many years ago. I think you must have also just started. This was about, I think, 8 years at least, or 9 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. And I'd gone to, my son used to study in London, and I'd gone to his dorm, and, you know, the poster of KKR was there. And I thought my son had put it up because, you know, he used to love the team. And it was all the English boys, actually, because they love you so much. So they said, we follow KKR because Owen's part of the team. Of course, that time he was just doing his sweep stuff. And we were, you know, learning to see him do all that. I guess he was also learning. But thank you for being part of the team again. God bless you, man.
Absolute pleasure.
आपसे मिलने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा excited, I can say this with assurance, is Rahul Tripathi. He's been smiling non-stop. He was so excited to see you the other day from the balcony. So what would you like to say to him?
I'm only here to see Rahul, none of the other guys. I just want to... Where are you, Rahul? Say hi.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Is he blushing? ऐसा लाल लाल हो रहा है ये देख कुलदीप इसको हाथ लगा इसके गाल को थोड़ा ऐसा Well played, Rahul. Thank you for being part of the team. I heard I don't know, you were doing the interview with Mr. Harsha. Harsha was talking to you, and he kept on telling me, what did I say to you? So I was saying one famous dialogue from one of my very old films. I don't have famous dialogues in new films anymore, but it was Rahul Naam To Suna Hoga. So every time you play, you know, but I'm very worried when you get out, you hit yourself so hard. I think you get a concussion here. You be careful with that. You look so gentle. How have you been feeling? Is the team making you feel happy, Rahul?
Yes, I'm very happy, sir. Actually, it's been really wonderful, and just 1.5 months, but already like great memories for me. And from my childhood, it was my dream to like play for KKR. The way Makkalam scored those 158 and you waving on the Chinnaswamy Stadium stands, so it was something very special and the same feeling for me. So I'm very happy here.
Yeah, but you still have to score 158, Rahul. It's not the same. I'm waving like that. You're not scoring like that yet, so you have to do that.
No, but राहुल ने तो हम सब का दिल जीत लिया है, but इस देश का दिल जीत लिया है हमारे heart throb शुभमन गिल ने. What do you have to say about him?
You know, Shubman, I used to keep awake watching the 18 World Cup, and you were so languid and easygoing, nearly bordering on lazy. Is he lazy, guys? He looks it. No, Pat, he looks it. He looks at a little, you know, just walking languidly, not in a rush, not taking the 2 runs ever. But all the girls in India are like every time asking me, he's so cute, he's so sweet and everything and all. How do you feel about the attention?
अच्छा लगता है सर.
कितना अच्छा लगता है, इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतना अच्छा लगता है, कितना अच्छा लगता है शुभमन? शर्मा क्यों रहा है इतना?
ठीक ठाक, मतलब काफी अच्छा लगता है.
Have you been feeling well? You've got friends. Nagarkoti is there. Mavi is there.
Yes, sir.
Ritesh is around. Ritesh, how have you been?
Good, sir. How are you?
Show me your hair. पीछे से देखा कितने लंबे हो
सर अभी हुआ नहीं इतने बड़े.
मेरे तो इससे लंबे हैं, बेटर हैं.
हाँ सर, आपसे कंपटीशन है भी नहीं सर मेरा.
And Owen, I've been hearing your wife say, Owen.
She is, yeah. They, wife, son, and mother-in-law got out of quarantine yesterday. So
Sanjana and everybody tells me you love changing nappies and stuff.
Absolutely, you can't beat it. Man about the house, changing nappies, crap everywhere. It's a bit like an IPL, to be honest.
You know, I have 3 of them. Which style do you use? Raising the legs or turning them over?
No, raising the legs.
Raise, you need any training for bringing up babies, you can ask me. When I joined the bubble back, I really want to come there, guys. In a few days, I will, because I'm dreading the 6-day quarantine that you have to do. Lockie, when did you land up? Did you land up on time? I mean, did you join us late?
I think I counted it was about 6 weeks. I think it was 10 days before the first game.
So does it get really boring?
I actually enjoyed it. It's nice just to have some time to yourself. And then, I actually enjoyed it. I was just playing PlayStation and catching up on some Netflix, so it was pretty relaxing.
There's a little baby in our family, Reina. When she was 2.5 years old, I think. That's last year maybe, or even longer. The only name she knew from the team was Lockie Ferguson. She couldn't say any other word. And somehow, this name has stuck in her head. She only says, if you ask the kids, who's your favorite player, and this little one, who couldn't say any other word, she would say, Lockie Ferguson.
That's awesome.
Ferguson. And it's amazing, that she knew this. We have difficulty saying your name. What's your full name? It's very difficult, Lockie.
Lachlan.
Lachlan.
Yeah. Only my dad calls me Lachlan when I'm in trouble.
Okay, but well played last time, yeah. Wonderful.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank
to have you back in the team.
Now, you were talking about the quarantine and being in the bio bubble. The boys have been picking up tons of new skills. Shubman can rap now, and Nitish Rana is ready to audition for his new Bollywood film, because we had this short film that was made called Snack Heist, and Nitish Rana was Khajuri and outstanding in the little part that he played.
So are we going to embarrass Shubman by making him sing? Sanjana, please.
Absolutely. I think we should.
Go on, Shubman. Give us what kind of songs do you sing? You sing like Kuldeep, who does all my songs and wins Antakshari.
केडी आई थिंक केडी
सर ने मुझे सुना हुआ है तेरी बारी रैप कर दे।
मैंने कब किया रैप यार? मुझे खुद ही नहीं याद मैंने कब किया।
कुछ तो कर दे। हाँ स्टार्ट। नागरकोटी कह रहा कर ले बेटा, नहीं तो नाच के दिखाएगा नागरकोटी।
Shubman, you can rap the jump song if you remember the words.
सारी की सारी तेरी ईगो झाड़ देंगे, जमीन पे झंडा अपना, जमीन पे तेरी झंडा अपना गाड़ देंगे, शोर इतना होगा कि कान फाड़ देंगे।
तू बता। David Hussey was telling me that he can't believe what you're 59 kgs.
No sir, 63.
Well, na, 63 with the clothes on. But I'm so happy, I'm genuinely just to tell you an aside, I'm so extremely happy for Mavi and Nagarkoti, to have been suffering from an injury and then to come and play. It's the nicest sight here. And Pat, please look after them and teach them some amazing skills. And you too, Lockie. These two young boys, they were so young when they started. I mean, they're still young, not compared to me, but otherwise they're still young. But it's so nice, a couple of years they've been down with, beleaguered with some injuries, but now they're really, really, it's just so wonderful to see Shubman and all these young boys, Kuldeep, Nitesh and all of them, come into their own. And of course, Rahul, who's just joined us. So it's really nice. But Mavi, Nagarkoti, all the best. Be healthy, be naughty, and keep being just the way you guys are. And look after yourself. Be healthy, okay?
But Mavi and Nagarkoti have come back to the team, and how they light up any room they're in. They're always joking around. They're always lightening the mood. And fans are absolutely in love with them. But हम fans की बात कर रहे हैं, तो हमने सुना कि DK fan है रजनीकांत के.
I can't even hold that against DK. Because I'm the biggest fan of Rajni sir. Tell me, do you know any of the fun jokes that there are of Rajni sir? With all respect.
Jokes part, I mean, I've read a few. I'm not able to remember any, but I can blurt out a couple of dialogues, which is very famous in Chennai.
Tell me some.
There is one dialogue in a movie called Basha, which is a very famous movie in Tamil.
You have to teach this to me, because I remember I was down in Chennai and they were trying to make me say it, but I screwed it up. I didn't say it properly. So if you can teach me, is it in Tamil?
It is in Tamil. There are two dialogues that I know. One is Na oru thadava sonna nooru thadava sonna mari. If I say it once, it's as good as saying it 100 times. That is one dialogue.
Say it slowly. I can follow it. Maybe I'll become as famous as Rajni sir one day.
Na
oru
thadava
sonna. Na oru thadava sonna.
Thadava sonna. Nooru thadava
sonna
mari.
Sunna Mari.
Yes.
And which is the other one?
It's okay, we'll stop with one for now.
I've killed it. I've destroyed it. You can't take it. I'll tell you what. Since I didn't know you're such a. I mean, everybody's a Rajni sir fan. But I promise you, keep playing like this. Win the trophy. I'll take you to Rajni. Have you met him ever?
Not really, sir. Once only I've met him, actually, to be very honest. I mean, met him in a sense, he was going somewhere, just said a hello and he just went off. Yeah. Not met him properly or anything.
So his family is very, very kind to me and they're very sweet. And what I'll do is when we're in Chennai, after the COVID and all the lockdowns, I'll take you, we're going to have lunch with him one day. He's really sweet and gentle. Yeah. I'd done a song, in respect of him in a film of mine, Lungi Dance, Lungi Dance, Lungi Dance. So after doing it, I got very scared. मुझे बहुत डर लग गया कि वो बुरा ना मान जाए. And he was so sporting. As a matter of fact, he gave me part of the song, the Thalaiva part. He said, you need to add this, otherwise my fans will not like it. So he's very kindly and sweet. So I'm going to take you. But listen, I want to ask everyone, is he the most talkative wicketkeeper in the world? Owen knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah, that's absolute.
He talks a lot. What do you keep saying to Varun Chakravarti? We can hear you. We can't make out what you say to him.
I say a lot.
क्या बोलता है? बताना मुझको बोल क्यों नहीं रहा?
सर ये तो थोड़ा फैमिली प्रोग्राम है. I'll tell you separately.
कुछ हिंट तो दे दे क्या क्या बोलता है बेचारे वरुण को.
Man, keep saying बहुत अच्छा bowling डाल रहे in so many words.
It's the rule. What is said behind the stumps stays behind the stumps.
Absolutely. And in the last match against the Sunrisers Hyderabad, हम जब balcony में बैठे थे, हम तक आवाज आ रही थी कि कुलदीप को आप जो बोल रहे थे, we could hear everything. It was आएगा. So that was really fantastic. And watching Kuldeep bowl is always a delight.
Kuldeep, are you up to it? All good?
All good sir, all good sir. How are you sir?
खुश है कि तू नहीं खुश है मुझे पहले बता.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ सर.
ये दुखी रहता है ना कुलदीप ऐसे.
नहीं सर, कुलदीप कभी दुखी नहीं रहता सर, बिल्कुल खुश है वो.
ऐसा रहता थोड़ा सा. वैसे खुश रहा कर तू. You bowled so well. अच्छा पैट से हिंदी में बात करता नहीं करता? Sorry Pat, I asked him, does he speak with you in Hindi or not?
मैंने इसको हिंदी में सिखाया अभी 1-2-3 वर्ड.
1-2-3 डायलॉग भी सीखे इसने अभी.
बताना करके थोड़ा.
I learned some words from KD. Shubman, Tera, Bal, Ganda, Hair.
क्या गंदा है मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया.
Ba.
सर जल रहा है थोड़ा सा.
अच्छा जल रहा है थोड़ा सा. इसके बाल पैट के बाल किसने काटे? बाल कटवाए? Who gave you the haircut?
Abhishek.
Why would you go to Abhishek for a haircut? But why would you go in is Abhishek the official barber also?
His wife's a hairdresser, so he thinks because he's got the clippers and he's got the apron that he can suddenly cut hair, but he can't. He's hopeless.
Believe you me, he's hopeless. Because I saw you on the field and I said, what happened to Pat?
But Shahrukh, the question is not why did he go to Abhishek? It's how many times did Pato go to Abhishek to get his haircut in the last 20 days? 4 times.
How many times, Pat? 4 times.
Yeah, each time I try to improve it a little bit until it's got to this stage, which it's okay, but it's yeah. The next stage is just shaving it all up, I think.
Yeah, please don't go to Abhishek. He's dangerous like that. दिनेश तूने बताया नहीं इसको अभिषेक कितना डेंजरस है यार.
I had informed Pat. I sent him a text message also. Stay away from this room. He wanted to cut the hair badly.
DK was there egging him on.
Okay, Okay, it's all fun and games so far, and this is an extremely fun session. But we just like to remind our fans that at the end of this session, we will be listening to this season's brand new anthem for the Kolkata Knight Riders. And 30 minutes after this live, there will be 100 exclusive limited edition Kolkata Knight Riders jerseys that will be on sale. These are signed by Shah Rukh himself, and all the proceeds will be going to the Mir Foundation and Magic Bus to help underprivileged children with technology so that they can get help with their studies. Right, Shah Rukh?
Yeah, and Mr. Venki Mysore, our boss man, has also agreed. What we're going to do is we're going to match up the proceeds and multiply them by 5 times, and try and buy tablets through the organization to give it to little kids for education and stuff. So I'd request everyone, please buy the jerseys. I'll try and sign them as well as I can. And it's more than the money, it's the thought that counts. And hopefully through channelizing what we do, जो हम करते हैं, इस team के द्वारा जो हमारे youngsters हैं, पूरी team है, KKR है, somehow to send out a message to the lesser privileged people around the world. It's a nice thing. And I've heard even Owen and some of the boys are going now also to participate in some other charitable cause. I want to thank all of you here. That you're so kind, you can take this time out, and I'm sorry that most of us are not in the bubble with you. We do miss Kolkata and the fans. There was a lot more freedom and happiness, but inshallah I'll join up with you and get the rest of the team also to join up and be in the bubble, and whatever lack of parties you all are having after the games, and and please welcome your wives and girlfriends and your families on my behalf, because officially I was supposed to be the caretaker of them. Post the matches, Sanjana, either they're too injured or too sullen if they've lost. So I can't party with them. So my main thing was I could be with their families and have fun, because frankly, they didn't give a damn whatever the results, as long as we had a good party.
They're always in a good mood.
Yeah, so I wish I could spend some more than spending time with you boys. I wanted to come and spend time with your families and, hang there. So inshallah, I'll join you guys soon. And we should also make them, have they heard the anthem yet? And thank you for participating in bits and pieces. I know you guys were training. Some of you have jumped well. I like you, Loki, with your tongue out. That was nice. Mavi, you were very, very cool. Nitish and Pat, fantastic. All of you did very well. So have they seen it yet or no?
I think we're about to have them listen to it. So we're just waiting for you to cue it on, and we'll play it, and then everybody can do a little jig and we can get their reactions.
Okay, we can Nagar Koti to lead the dance with obviously Owen and DK, who look like dancers and are dying to dance. I can make out to join Nagar Koti. Okay, can we play the song for them? I don't want to take too much of their time.
Sharbai, the song is very good, Sharbai. I don't want to spoil it by any chance. I'm happy listening to it.
Please spoil it for us, or tell us what you're saying behind the stumps. One of the two. Okay, Sanjana, could we play the song?
Yes. Can we?
Thank you.
माइक का लाल जो आएगा सामने, पैर जिसके ना लगे कांपने, पैरों के नीचे से निकले जमीन जब आके खड़े होते हम मैदान में, आंखें निकाल देंगे बेटे तू घूर तो सही, कहते हैं पागल सारे हाँ थोड़ा हूँ तो सही, तुझे ये लगे कि तू उड़ नहीं पाएगा, एक बार शिद्दत से कूद तो सही, हाथ उठा के करो जंप जंप जंप, शोर मचा के करो जंप जंप जंप, आगे चढ़ा के करो जंप 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 jump, 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 jump. सारा का सारा तेरा ईगो झाड़ देंगे, जमीन पे तेरी झंडा अपना गाड़ देंगे, जो अड़ेगा जड़ से उखाड़ देंगे, शोर इतना होगा तेरे कान फाड़ देंगे, चलो होके थोड़ा साइड में, देखेगा तू लेफ्ट पढ़ेंगे राइट में, कंपटीशन रहने वाला नहीं कोई साइड में, KKR विनर विनर हर एक फाइट में, नीचे क्या है पता नहीं या भी ऑन द पीक ब्रो, गेम ऑन पॉइंट और स्वैग ऑन फ्लीक ब्रो, थोड़े से है सीधे थोड़े से है फ्रीक ब्रो, क्योंकि वी कॉर्बो लॉर्बो जीतो।
रगों में फिर से उठा एक उफान है, हासिल करने को पूरा आसमान, कुछ याद रखना है तो बस ये याद कि तूफान नहीं तूफान है, तूफान है।
Guys, this is actually a fan anthem. It's not really a team anthem because we couldn't obviously, because of the way the whole world is, we couldn't play in Kolkata. And most of you guys who are part of the team, and when the auction got over and everything, I think everybody was so excited in Kolkata, and this whole team will be there. So unfortunately, we can't be there. So the idea was that we'll get fans to kind of dance to this song and send their videos, which we'll put in competition, and hopefully we can send a message. It's a fan anthem. It's not really a team anthem. And Lafao means to jump, to jump with frenzy, jump with joy, jump with happiness, jump when you're angry. So the whole concept of the song is that. So तुम लोग यार अंग्रेजों को समझा देना हिंदी वाले words. नागरकोटी, कुलदीप.
बिल्कुल सर, मैं इसका ख्याल रख रहा हूँ, पैड का.
हाँ, अच्छी तरह प्यार से ख्याल रखियो इसका.
No, but we saw so many of you already grooving to the anthem. DK, you're one of the most energetic nights we have. How much do you love this new fan anthem?
I genuinely love the song. I think the rapping part is amazing. I don't think there's as soon as the song, the first time I'm hearing it, but you can see that the youngsters will definitely take a liking to it. I think the rap is in the scene right now, and I'm sure these guys will love it.
And Nitish, how long before you can learn all the words?
24 घंटे.
Very cool. So I think we can wrap this session now.
Okay, I'll just sign this T-shirt to let everyone know that it's a genuine sign, not forged by Kuldeep or.
Yeah. Yes. We usually get Kuldeep to forge signatures.
Kuldeep, देख ले, सीख ले बेटा ये. Okay, so this is so extremely inefficient of me not to have the right pen, so you can't see it. But I promise you I'll do it with a nicer pen, a silver one, and make a nicer signature. And thank you guys for being here. Sorry, I know you must have just come from training and you need to have your dinner and your massages and everything. So please go ahead, and as soon as the song's out, send me your versions so I can keep forwarding them. Only after wins, Kuldeep, Nagarkoti and Mavi. हारने के बाद मैं कोई वीडियो नहीं डालूंगा, समझे? Oh, and I took all the kids in the team, so they're scared of me.
Excellent. That's where we like them.
Yeah, just keep them all scared and not let them misbehave. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, DK. Thank you, Owen. Thank you, Nagarkoti, Mavi, Lockie, Pat. I'm trying to go in the order I can see them. Kuldeep, and Nitesh, Shubman, Rahul. And please give my love to the rest of the boys also who are not here. Especially to Ray Russ. Tell him I have a dancing competition pending with him. Thank you guys. Have a good evening. Thank you very much for being so sporting and being on this. Thank you. Thank you, Sanjana.
Thank you. Thank you, Shahrukh, for being
Thank you, everyone. I'll see you guys soon. Sorry.
To be with us. Thank you.
I'll see you guys. I'll see you at the matches and then in the bubble.
See you.
Thank you. Lots of love.
Okay. So thank you, Knights, for joining us in this session. We know that this new anthem is going to give you tons of motivation when you next take to the field. And Knight Riders, thank you so much for joining us on this live session. That's all we have for you today. And we hope that you enjoy this fan anthem. We've made it for you because tu fan nahi, tufan hai.